gonna destroy this gun. We already did some damage right here. So yeah, it's my turn now. So let's go.
Hey, put the phone over there.
No, I'll record it. I can't even see it. I don't see
Oh my god, look at the freaking other side.
Oh, we had this. Oh god. Oh shoot. Oh my god. You're breaking every freaking part.
This is for last. The smaller pieces are for last.
Oh my god.
It's barely anything.
Shut up. Alright, Jesus Christ.
Oh my god.
We literally already destroyed.
Ow!
Sorry.
Seriously.
Sorry. Come on. Ow!
Oh! Oh my god.
Oh. Right here.
Dude, that stabbed me.
Oh my god. No, leave it. It's kind of dangerous. I'm gonna use this side.
FedEx. Hey, FedEx.
Hey, stop. Dang it.
What?
I didn't even hit it. I hit it from here. No. There. Oh my god.
I hit most of those.
Jesus Christ. No, hey, that's 4 hits. That's 4 hits.
Oh, shit.
Jesus Christ. I barely did damage to this.
Okay.
Oh!
How did it already break?
I did all that.
Okay, it's 5 hits now.
5
It's
hits?
already broken.
This
That quick, dude?
Jesus Christ.
Let's
This
find
is
some
a-
more stuff to break.
This is weak. You have 2 more hits. Jesus Christ.
Jeez.
Ow!
Okay, you get 5 hits.
You launched it to my finger. Oh. Alright. This is already destroyed. We should stop hitting this one. Jesus Christ, man. Ow.
Wires. You can't even break the
Just
wire.
leave the wires. Alright.
How many do I have?
4 more. This is the last ones because we need to break that one. Alright, hurry up. Do you have 3 more hits? Oh my god.
One more?
Yeah, 1 more.
I want it by hand. The last one.
You want hand by the last one? Oh my god.
Wait, when I threw it through the guns, did that happen?
Yeah, this happened.
Let's see.
Alright, now we have to start breaking this.
Oh, dude, this is a slow one.
The ammo.
No, this is when I launch it. Dude, that's slow.
This is hard. Right here. Oh!
I already know I'm gonna go hard.
Jesus Christ.
Oh!
Tell me.
Fell on.
Last one.
Oh, no. I hit my head too hard.
Alright. There.
Oh, God.
Oh! Let me see it.
Oh! It's stuck to me.
Dang it.
Damn, it hit my vein. Now my vein is all Get out of the way!
Yeah. Oh! How does this work? Alright, well, this concludes the video, so...
Well, no, we're gonna find something else.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
Fine. No, we're not. Okay, bye, guys.